Hello everyone and welcome to this presentation on human-robot environment interactive reasoning mechanism for an object sorting robot. This presentation has been based on the research paper which I'm going to drop out soon. These are the table of contents. You can just pause them and have a look at them. So let us get started. The research paper was published by IEEE in the year 2017. It was written by 4 engineers from the Wuhan Institute of Science and Technology. Paper talks about the design of an robot operating system based object sorting system, which consists of a lot of things, but the main functionality would be human robot environment interactive reasoning. Experiment, analysis, and testing was done on this proposed system. So the research paper provides us with a detailed, accurately described, and implemented system which depicts human-machine interaction perfectly. This is the link. If you want, you can have a look at the research paper. So now going over to the abstract part, the design of the object sorting robot system is based on ROS distributed processing framework, which can do 4 things. The first one is communication with human beings, which is most important. Then perceive the 3D environment by Kinect sensor. We are going to talk about this Kinect sensor later. Then it has the ability of reasoning, and finally it can transfer natural language intention to machine instruction to control the movement of the manipulator. The human robot environment interactive reasoning mechanism is a combination of 2 kinds of technologies. The first one is CPR, case-based reasoning. And the second one is belief, desire, intention technology. So when we combine these 2 technologies, it achieves 3 functions. The first one is map matching, desire analysis, and finally guidance. So experiment analysis done on this system proves that it is advantageous and it is capable of HMI. For the introduction part, as you very well know, many new kinds of intelligent service robot systems are emerging these days, with a common characteristic is collaboration of robots with humans to accomplish certain tasks. In our case, these task is object sorting in an unstructured environment with a flexible manipulator. The system needs a lot of things, but the most important one of them is HRI, which is human-robot interaction. The robot can reuse the previous experience to obtain suitable information to solve current problems using CPR, gaining a certain degree of intelligence. When we combine case-based reasoning with BDI technology, it increases the autonomous interactive capability of the system. The human-robot environment interactive reasoning mechanism is proposed to solve 2 problems that are present. The first one is user's utterance is incomplete, non-fluent, or partly recognized, or else the user's utterance styles are not unified or have different kinds of perceptions. So this was solved using dialogue and 3D scene interaction module added specifically for case-based reasoning. As you can see over here, this is the hardware of the object sorting robot system, and the core of this system are 3 embedded computers which are connected to a Kinect sensor, a microphone and a speaker, and a modular manipulator and an effector. All of these have different kinds of tasks, which when integrated and put together, help us with object sorting, which is the ultimate goal. The system's robotic body is a 6 degree of freedom serial modular manipulator, and the communications within the system have been handled by a controller area network bus. So we have talked about the hardware. Now let's go over to the software part. So the software of this entire system has been based on robot operating system distributed processing framework. There are a lot of nodes present in the system which are loosely coupled, and the communication between them is asynchronous. The entire system has been built upon 7 major nodes, which are point cloud collection, object recognition, speech recognition, human robot environment interactive reasoning, speech synthesis, solution passing, and finally manipulation controller node. So now talking about the core concept, which is traditional CPR PDI reasoning system, where we combine belief, desire, and intention. So what the system does is it builds the user info, which is taken in as a desire, into a problem, which is then matched with case-based by case retrieve algorithm. After that, we do the map matching, based on which we get real matched information of the object. And based on that, the system finally invokes actions following set of actual executable action sequence, which is the intention. Now, Deep will continue.